In today's class, it is chapter 10, tens and hundred. In last class, we learned about at the market, and in that class, we learned about rupees and paise. How to write the rupees by using decimal point, and what part of that decimal fraction is rupees, and what part of the decimal fraction is paise. And how to find out the cost of many atoms from the one atom, and the cost of one atom from many atoms. Like that we discussed some examples in our previous class. Now see, in today's class it is page number 140. See, one question is here. It is practice time. It is practice time. See, match these. Dear students, please see from your textbook. These three columns are here. It is one yellow color, it is green color, and it is pink color. Now you can see very clearful from your textbook only. See, it is yellow color, it is green color, and it is pink color. So what is instruction here? Match each yellow box with one green box and then again one pink box. Means we have to match this one yellow color box with this green one and then again green one with this pink one. So first of all, I will make like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes are there in each column. Like this we have to make here. 1, then it is third column, second column, it will is third column, like this. Okay. See. Now it is 1, 2, 3, it is 4, it is 5, and this one is 6. This one is 6. Okay, so this way there are 6 columns are there. Now see here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is 6. Okay, this one is 6. And then see, it one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is 6. This one is 6. Now what information is given in this column? See here, like this some information is given here. It is this rupee. Rupee it is 1 by 2. Rupee it is 1 by 2. Then it is C. Rupee it is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. It is rupee. Rupee it is 5 by 100. 5 by 100. And rupee it is 3 by 4. And see, rupee it is 99 by 100, and in rupee it is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4. So see, this column is given rupee in by using fraction. It is written in the form of fraction. Now 1 by 2 means half. 1 by 10 means 1 out of 10 part, like that. Okay. And in this column it is paise. See, it is 5 paise. Then it is 25 paise. 99 paise, 50 paise, 75 paise, and it is 10 paise. Okay. Now in third column, see what is given here. It is rupee 0.75. Rupees 0.75. Next it is rupee. It is 0.50, 0.50, rupee 0.05, 0.05, rupee, it is rupee, it is 0.10, 0.10, then rupee 0.25, 0.25, and it is here rupee 0.99. Rupee 0.99. Okay. Now what we have to do? First of all, we have to match this box with this one. So see, it is rupee 1 by 2. Dear student, please see here. It is rupee 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is what, beta? 1 out of 2 parts. So what is the meaning of 1 by 2? 1 by 2 means it is half, and half means what, beta? Then there are 100 paise in 1 rupee. So how many paise will be there in half rupees? So in half rupees, then it is 50 paise. Then it is 50 paise in half rupees. So you can match this one with this 50 paise. Okay. See, this is rupee half is equal to 50 paise. Now see, rupee 1 by 10. Rupee 1 by 10. Now what is meant by 1 by 10? 1 by 10 means it is the 10 part, total 10 parts, and out of this total 10 part, here we have to take one equal part. So see, if there are 100 paise, and if you will make the 10 parts like this, so each part will be 10, 10, 10, and so there will be 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So these are the 10 parts. And each part is 10, 10, 10. Now you have to take here rupees 1 by 10. Means you have to take only one part. So you take this one part, and one part means what, beta? It is 10 paise. So see, rupee 1 by 10 is equal to 10 paise. And see, this box we have to match with this. Now it is with 10 paise. So you can match like this. 10 paise. Okay. Next one. See, rupees 5 by 100. 5 by 100. So see, dear students, it is 5 by 100. Now what is meant by 5 by 100? Means 1 rupee is there. There are 100 paises are there. Now 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. Now here we have to make what? 100 equal part. I say 100 equal part. So if you will make 100 equal parts, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. 1 rupees in each part. One paisa in each part होगा ना. So 100 paise, 100 part means 1 paise equal to 1 part. So out of this 100 parts, you have to take only any 5 parts. So if you will take like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So see, total कितना होगा इसका बेटा? 1 plus 1. Then it is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paise will be there. So you can write here this rupee 5 by 100. This rupees 5 by 100 is equal to what beta? It is equal to 5 paise. It is equal to, see, 5 by 100 is equal to 5 paise. Next, rupee 3 by 4. See, it is rupee 3 by 4 beta. 3 by 4 means what? 3 part out of 4 equal part. See, there are 100 paise. 100 paise के हम 4 part करेंगे बेटा यहाँ पर. All of you know, when you will divide this 100 by 4, you will get 25. So 25, 25 and 25, 25. So there are the 4 parts of 25 paise in each part. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 part. Now what we have to take here? We have to take 3 by 4 with 3 part out of 4 parts. So see, you can take any 3 parts. These are the 3 parts here. Now what will total of these 3 parts? 25, 25, 50 plus 25 is 70 parts. So see, this one, rupees 3 by 4 is equal to 75 paise. So this will be matched with this one. This will be matched with this one. Now rupees 99 by 100. So see again here, 99 by 100. 99 by 100. So it means we have to make here what? 100 parts. हमें यहाँ पर क्या करने हैं? 100 parts करने हैं, like this only. So there will be 1 paisa in each part, and then you have to take 99 parts. So its value will be 99 paise. 100 paise में से 99 paise. तो this will be matched with this one. ये चलो इसके साथ मैच हुआ बेटा, ये आपका इसके साथ मैच हुआ. Next one. Now it is 1 by 4. Rupee 1 by 4. So see, rupee 1 by 4 like this. Rupees 1 by 4. Now again here there are 100 paise in rupees. So you have to make here now 4 part of this 100 के हम यहाँ पर क्या करने हैं? 4 part करने हैं. So each part will be like this 25, 25 and 25. Now what we have to take? We have to take here 1 part out of these 4 parts. So see, when you will take this 1 part, what will be the value of this 1 part is equal to, it is 25. क्या होगा यहाँ पर? 25. So you can do like this. तो चलिए हमें इस तरह करना है. देखिए, it is 25. Okay, this is 25 paise. It is equal to 1 rupees. Is equal to 1 by 4 rupees equal to 25 paise. Now this way here we make this yellow color box with this one. This one with green color box from your textbook. Yellow color box with this one green box. Now what we have to do here? Now here we have to match this green color box with this what? Pink color box. So see, here we have to match this green color box with this pink color box. तो आइए अभी इसे देखते हैं बच्चों. See, it is 5 paise, and in this column in this column paise is given there. Now we have to match with this one rupees, but it is in the form of decimal fraction, means it is written by the decimal point. Decimal point. So see, it is 5 paise. Dear student, it's very simple. See, it is 5 paise. Now how to write in rupees beta? You can write here rupees 5 by 100. Means 5 paise out of 100 paise, then it is equal to 5 by 100. Now this is in the form of fraction, numerator and denominator. Now we have to write this in by the decimal point. So see, 5 by 100 means what beta? 5 divided by 100, like this. 5 divided by 100. But simply you can write here. First of all, you have to write numerator. And see, in denominator 2 0 are there, it is divided by 100. So you have to count the 2 digit from this. 1 digit, यहाँ से 2 digit count करेंगे. 1, second digit not there, so you can put 0. And then you put decimal. Because 2 0 are there, so it is 100. So it is 2. And then there is no any other number, any other digit, so you can put again 0 here. So it is rupees 0.05. It is rupees 0.05. So see, rupees 0.05 का है बेटा? This one is here, so it will be matched with this one. अब देखिए यहाँ से हमें कैसे मिला है यहाँ पर बेटा? See, 100 zeros are 0. Now again decimal point 50. See, 100 zeros are again 0. 50 minus 0, 50, and then 100 5 are 500. Okay, 100 5 are 500. So like this we can here do it. Okay. Now 25 paise. It is 25 paise. So what is this beta? It is rupees 25 by 100. 25 by 100. Now see, it is 25. 1 2 0 1 2 decimal. It is 0. So it is rupees 0.25. 0.25. Okay. Then next, see 99 paise. What is this? 99 paise. 99 paise is rupees 99 by 100. Yes, it will be what beta? 99 2 0 1 2 decimal is 0. 0.99. 0.99. Then 50 paise. See, it is 50 paise. Same way here you can do 50 paise is rupees 50 by 100. 50 by 100 means rupees 50 लिख लीजिए बेटा. Then 1 2 0 2 1 2 digit. Then here will be 0. It is rupees 0.50. It is rupees 0.50. So this way. Next 75 paise. Same way 75 paise. It will be rupees 75 by 100. Then it will be rupees 75. And see this one 1 2. So 1 2 decimal it is like this. So rupees 0.2 0.75 रुपीज 0.75. इस में बेटा इट इज 75 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. ये आपका 75 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 इस तरह आंसर है आपका ये. देखिए फिर 7 0 का 0 सॉरी 100 0 का 0 75 और डेसिमल 107 का 700. इट इज 50 here like this 500. Okay, this one. Next one is it will be matched with this one. ये आपका यहाँ पर मैच हो जाएगा. ओके बेटा. अब लास्ट वन देखिए 10 पैसे. इट इज 10 पैसे. तो कैसे होगा बेटा इसका देखिए 10 पैसे मीन्स व्हाट अगेन 10 by 100. जैसे इट इज रुपीज 10 लिख लिया 1 2 0 1 2 डेसिमल इट इज 0 0.10. It is like this. Okay. So this way here you can match this one with each other. Now come to next part. It is about colorful design. What is this? It is about what? Colorful design. It is about colorful design. Okay. Now see colorful design. Now if picture is given here beta, see if this picture is given here, this type of one box is here and this box is divided into equally 10 equal parts like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 10. See, so this tray is divided into 10 equal parts. Okay, like this. And each part is here beta you and it is color by using different color. So it is not possible for me to use this color here. So I am going to write the name of this color. So you can read this from here, beta. आप यहाँ से देख सकते हो. Say this one is B for blue. Then it is Y for yellow, G for green, and this one is white. इतना पार्ट उसका व्हाइट है और यहाँ पर बी फॉर ब्लैक नहीं लिखूंगा बेटा, मैं बी एल लिख रहा हूं मैं, क्योंकि दो बी हो तो ब्लू हो जाएगा. बी फॉर ब्लू एंड इट इज बी एल ए सी के, ब्लैक, बी एल ए, ब्लैक शॉर्ट फॉर्म. अगेन इट इज व्हाइट, दिस वन इज अगेन व्हाइट बेटा, एंड दिस वन इज रेड. देन दिस वन इज ग्रीन, दिस वन इज रेड, व्हाइट, it is green and it is yellow. Okay. Now this much part is there and these 10 part are there and these are color here different here. A question is here, what part of the seed is green? Question देखिए. What part of the seed is green? चलिए. What part of the seed is green? See this picture and tell me. So this one, you see, this one come 1, then 2, and this one is 3. This and these 3 part are there. But not our answer is 3 beta. 3 हमारा आंसर नहीं होगा यहाँ पर. Why? What part is there? How many नहीं पूछा. Question is here, how many part are there? No. What part are there? So see here, 3 part out of these 10. 10 equal part. ये हमारा आंसर है. तो 10 इक्वल पार्ट जो इसके स्ट्रिप के 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 पार्ट. तो 10 पार्ट नीचे 3 पार्ट, तो 3 by 10 पार्ट of the seed is green. ओके, ये उसका आंसर होगा बेटा. नाउ नेक्स्ट देखिए नंबर 2. इसी का नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन देखिए बेटा. व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ द सीड इज कलर ब्लू? What part of the seed is color blue? Okay. What part of the seed is color blue? चलिए, what part of the seed is color blue? अब इस सीड का कितना पार्ट ब्लू किया गया? ओनली सी दिस इज ओनली फॉर बी फॉर ब्लू. Then it is B for black है ये वाला, तो only this part is color here. So what you can write here? You can, what part of the seed is color blue? 1 by 10. 10 में से only one part of the seed is color blue. Okay. तो 1 by 10 part of the seed is color blue. Now next question देखिए. नंबर 3 क्वेश्चन. इसी डिजाइन का नंबर 3 क्वेश्चन देखिए ना. ये हुआ क्वेश्चन 1, इट इज क्वेश्चन 2 एंड नाउ क्वेश्चन 3. सी विच कलर कवर 0.2 ऑफ द सीड? विच कलर कवर 0.2 ऑफ द सीड? ओके. अब इनमें से हमें ये देखना है कि इस सीट में कौन सा कलर ऐसा है कि जो आपका 0.2 सीट का पार्ट कवर कर रहा है बेटा. तो सी 0.2 मीन्स व्हाट? इट इज 2 out of 10. नो, 2 out of 10. See, then it will be, when you will convert this into like this, it will be here. So this value are equal here now. It is in decimal point, it is in numerator and denominator form only. So this 0.2 means what beta? 2 by 10. So which color is there out of 2 part? 2 part out of 10 part. So see, blue is 1, green is 3 part, red is here and here, means 1 complete and other is half, less than half. Less than मतलब less than 1 है वो, तो ये 1 है ना, less than 2 हुआ दोनों मिला के. And white is only, see this is 1 white and this is white and this is white. So not here in the 2 तो नहीं है, but you can say this is yellow and this is yellow. So 2 part are there. So what you can write? Yellow color is cover, yellow color cover 0.2 of the seed. Okay. Now next question देखिए. इसी पार्ट का नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है बेटा. सी क्वेश्चन. Each strip is divided into 10 small boxes. Each strip is divided into 10 small boxes. देखिए इस तरह का पिक्चर है, ये पिक्चर है, ये जो ब्लू कलर स्ट्रिप है, then yellow color, green color, but now it was in this picture it was only single strip. Now you see each strip is divided into 10 parts. Okay, 10 small boxes. The question देखिए, how many boxes are there in all? How many boxes are there in all? Okay, चलिए आंसर लिखेंगे हम. See, it is like this. This is one strip, two strips, three strips, four strips, five strips, six strips, seven strips, eight strips, nine strips, it is 10 strips. Okay, like this it is 10 strips. Then see it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this way each strip is color here 10. So say it is blue color, then it is what? Yellow color, it is green color, and see black color BL, BL, BL3 are there, and it is red, 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 red and red, and these are white, white, again green, red, white, green and white, yellow. Like this, it is CT divided into 10 parts. Now question is here, how many boxes are there in all? क्या होगा फिर? There are, see, 10 and again 10. तो कितना होगा? 10. These are 10 and these are 10. So 10 into 10, there are 100 small boxes in all. Okay. There are 100 small boxes in all. So you can write like this, 10 into 10 is equal to 100. See, there are 10 small boxes in all. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Next number देखिए. Next number. See, question. Is each box box 1 by 10 each box 1 by 100 part of the sheet? Yes. तो ये जो एक बॉक्स है बेटा, लाइक दिस इज स्मॉल बॉक्स, ये जो स्मॉल बॉक्स है, ईच बॉक्स, क्या ये एक बॉक्स आपका जो टोटल सीट है उस सीट का ये पार्ट है बेटा, 1 by 100 पार्ट है? Yes, see, because total 100 boxes are there, small boxes are there, and this one is 1 by 100. So it is equal to what? 1 by 10 parts. Is equal to 1 by 10 parts. So you can write here, yes, each box part of the sheet. Okay. Next one. Next one, see, how many blue boxes are there? How many blue boxes are there? See, how many blue boxes are there, beta, now? How many blue boxes are there? It is blue sheet, blue strip. This one is blue strip and divided into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can write here, there are 10 blue boxes. अगर इसमें पार्ट में लिखेंगे तो क्या होगा बेटा? 10 पार्ट आउट ऑफ 100 पार्ट, then it is like this. It will be like this. 10 part out of 100 part means 0.10. Next question देखिए, is blue equal to 10 by 100? नहीं सॉरी, क्वेश्चन देखिए ये वाला क्वेश्चन है, is blue equal to 1 by 10? Is blue equal to 1 by 10 of the sheet? Is blue equal to 1 by 10 of the sheet? तो ये जो ब्लू पार्ट है, क्या ये आपका ब्लू पार्ट 1/10 ऑफ द सीट है? मतलब सीट की जो 10 पार्ट है, 10 पार्ट में से एक पार्ट है। यस, तो सी दिस इज 10 पार्ट ऑफ द सीट एंड दिस पार्ट इज 1 पार्ट आउट ऑफ दिस 10 पार्ट। So you tell me, yes, blue is 1/10 part of the seat. Yes, the blue is क्या हुआ? Yes, blue is 1/10 part of the seat. Okay, so this way today we discuss this about. Thank you.